Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. We've got this Asus here to fix. The customer that brought this laptop in said that the laptop has no power. It's totally dead. It's quite a nice laptop. Ryzen 3 AMD graphic chip there. Okay, and I've seen that he has also taken out the screws from the back. You see, there are no screws to take out. Maybe try to check what could be the problem. So now let's look at it together. Let's check together what could be the problem of this laptop. Okay, it looks like it's a new laptop. It's very thin. Okay, here you go. Here's the board. Here is the board. I'm just doing physical inspection. Maybe if there's anything bad on the board. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, okay. Here's the first MOSFET. Let's check together. I can see something here. You see the first MOSFET from the charging pin. There's the charging pin. Then the first MOSFET. Then we have the second MOSFET. Then the current sensor. Okay. Okay. Let's go with the power supply. The charger to see. Let's see. And it's not taking any power. Let's look for voltage quickly. Let's check for voltage. Let's check for voltage. Okay. Negative brought to ground. Then on the charging pin, you see that on the charging pin, am I using the right? No, the wrong front. I'm using the wrong one. Okay, let's try again. Negative pro to ground on the charging pin. Nothing. What could be the problem here? What could be the problem? Let's see. What could be our problem? On the charging pin. Am I using the wrong charger? Am I using the wrong charger? On the charging pin, we should have 19 on the charging pin. Nothing on the charging pin. Okay, I think maybe I have to change the pin. Maybe. Maybe the pin needs to be changed. Maybe the pin needs to be changed. And he did offer me his charger. I said, no, keep your charger. Okay, let's do it again. Got another charging pin. Okay, connected. Nothing. Let's check for voltage. Negative pro to ground on the charging pin. You see that we've got 19 on the charging pin. You see, on the 19 on the charging pin, we've got 19. Okay, now let's move to the first MOSFET. On the first MOSFET input, we've got 19 there. You see that we've got 19. Okay, let's go to the output. On the output, we've got nothing. You see that? We've got nothing. We totally have nothing. So this first MOSFET is off. The first MOSFET is off. Let me disconnect the battery quickly. The first MOSFET is off. The first MOSFET is off. So what we need to do now? We need to look for the short on this board. Why is the first MOSFET off? Why is the first MOSFET off? Why is the first MOSFET off? Okay, see what I will do. I will try to. Okay, I will inject the power just after by the current sensor to see if there's a short on the board. I inject power from there just after the current sensor to see if we have a short on the board. Okay, let's see together. You see, we've got short on the board. You see that on the current sensor. You see, we've got short on the board. Okay. So what we need to do now, we need to look for the part or the component that is short to ground. Most likely to be a capacitor that is short to ground. You never know, but let's check together and see what is short to ground. And I guess there are still more power supply on the other side of the board. There are more power supply on the other side of the board. Okay, I'm gonna reduce my current now. Okay, first. You see, it's taking 3 amp. Did you see that? Let's see if there's. I don't have a thermocam to see which part is getting hot, but we'll just have to feel it. Oh, burn myself. You see that? I've burned my finger now. I just burned my finger. There's a caps here. There's a caps here. Which is getting hot. Ooh. Yeah, that's too bad. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. I'll show you now. That's not good. 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 It's very hot. Let's try again. Did you see that? You can see the smoke is coming out from it. So we'll take another capacitor. Like I said to you, most likely is the capacitor that is short to ground. Okay. Let's take out the capacitor. By the way, thanks to everyone that have subscribed to my channel. And if you are watching this video now, you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe for more repair videos like this. Okay. Let's take out the capacitor. Okay, the caps is out. Caps is out. So we're going to test now if the short is there. The caps is out. Okay, I'm gonna use my BP multimeter on continuity mode. I don't know if you can see that here. Let's put it there. Continuity mode. Okay, negative proto ground. You see by the MOSFET, there used to be a short there. There's no short. Let's check here. That's the ground. You see, the short is gone. You see, there's no short anymore. This is the ground. Okay, so let's check our MOSFET, the one we just replaced. Here's the MOSFET there. Did you see that? This MOSFET is dead. Sorry, this capacitor. I keep saying MOSFET. This capacitor is dead. Did you see that? The capacitor is dead. Okay, I think our problem is solved now. I think our problem is solved. If you choose to replace the let's replace it. Let's replace it. Let's replace it. Because when I say if you choose to replace, I'll, some people will take it lightly with me. I've got new ones. Let's put a new one there. Put a new one there quickly. If you don't have a new one, you can take from the donut board. You see, I've got a set of new one. Okay, there are a lot of them. Okay, let's test the new one. Okay, that's our new one. You see that? That's the new one. You see? Here's the old one. There's the old one. Did you see that? The old one. And this is our new one. Okay? So let's replace it. Okay. There we go. There we are. Here we go. I don't know if you can see that quickly. Okay. Okay. The caps is there. Let's clean it. Now then we can test if our problem is solved. Okay. Okay, I think it's fine now. Let's test together. Let's test together. The moment we all are waiting for, the moment of joy. The moment of joy. Let's test together the moment of joy. Then, okay, where is mine? Okay, 19 volts. Okay, we have it there on the screen. 19 volts. Okay, charger connected. You see that? Check on the power supply. It's taking power. Laptop is on. You see that? Quite a nice laptop, eh? Unless it's a gaming laptop. 8 gig RAM there. Okay, our problem is solved. I think I will stop this video now. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Comment, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.